Good afternoon. A complete titration you can't explain again. You may can get videos from seekers or you can see YouTube. Okay. Complete you can't explain. But all titrations only one pattern which we are discussing. So even you are missing one titration and another titration you are listening also you can get. Because all you are applying only one formula. So try one problem. Still people are joining. I apply only one principle, sir. Everything is in terms of equivalence. Gn of 1 equal to Gn of 2, right? 1.84 grams of CaO3 and MgCO3 were treated with 50 ml of zero point 0.8 HCl. Solution. Calculate the percentage of CaCO3 and MgCO3. This is the question they given, sir. Only 2 lines. Only 2 lines, sir. Right? So in out of 1.84 grams, how much calcium carbonate is there? How much MgCO3 is there? That's we need to find out. Maybe 1 gram is CaCO3, maybe 0.84 grams of CO3. Like that, you have to find out composition. So we need to find out. So you can take a getting. We will discuss. Even to solve this problem, different methods is there, but I am following only one method. Only one method I am following. This one I am going to be insert to my students also. If you find different methods, you can create doesn't matter here. Ultimately, are getting answer or not, that's only important, right? Right here, calcium carbonate as well magnesium carbonate, both reacting with Vishnu. This is acid. So I can write simply this is the formula, sir. Very simple concept. Acid equal to water reacting. Here magnesium carbonate reacting as well as MgCO3. Gn of acid they given, molarity they given as well as volume they given, sir. So this in terms of normality into volume. But here in terms of weight, sir, weight by equivalent weight, because they given weight here. That's Gn formula in terms of weight by equivalent weight of CaCO3 plus weight by weight of MgCO3. This is the formula. So now I am going to be solved here. N factor is 1 for HCl. So molarity into N factor is 1. 0.8 into 1 into volume is 50 ml. We need to convert liters, otherwise we'll get these are milligrams. Is it correct? But here they given grams means I need to convert into liters only. There is no option for me. Equal to. Wait, can assume that is X grams of calcium carbonate, sir. You can assume X grams of calcium carbonate by what's the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate? CaCO3 weight. N factor how much? Ca2 plus CO3 2 minus. N factor is 2. So 100 by, dense 2, it should be no answer. 100 by 2. Remember directly, na? 50 plus 0.84 minus X. This is the weight of carbonate. Because total weight is 1.84 grams. This X grams means this is 1 minus whatever 1.84 minus X grams. By what is the equivalent weight of MgCO3? Can you try it? Molecular weight is 84. N factor here also 2. 42. Right, 42. Okay. Now solve this one. What is the X value? Whatever expect to solve equations, huh? Then once you're getting X value, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, then they're asking percentage. If any doubt, you can ask, sir. If any doubt here, you have to solve this question, you may can ask. Solve this equation, X value, find out. Anyone? Section. I'm solving for you. Calculation at least should be very good, sir. Very strong. Huh? Just only starting problem. How to do that is. but once got then you should not wait. Very good. X equal to 1 gram. Superb. X equal to 1 gram, sir. Then this X nothing but calcium carbonate. What is the magnesium carbonate next? 0.84 can I take magnesium carbonate? Suppose I am asking percentage composition of CaCO3 equal to 1.84 into 100. Because weight of calcium carbonate by total weight into 100. Potential you are getting 54.35%. You can remove from 100 minus you can take, then you will get percentage of magnesium carbonate. May can get 100 minus 54.35. How much value? 35. This is the answers. I am expecting from you only to understand this formulas are not calculation. This is the formula you have to understand. Whatever they given, just acid opposite only have to be equal. As equal to base. You are reacting with HCl. That's why it understand. No, not understood. Still. I give one more similar question for practice purpose. Can you try? Error intensity to calculate GN concept only. Let me know that one. After substituting this is, I am getting X value. See, the equivalents of acid I find. Why I am using 1000 here? Because ml, that's why I converted to liters. X I am assuming here calcium carbonate by equivalent weight. 50 equivalents of CaCO3, sir. Weight of magnesium carbonate 1.84 minus X by its equivalent weight. Now by solving this equation, X equal to 1 gram. If X equal to 1 means magnesium carbonate how much, sir? Magnesium carbonate equal to 1.84 minus 1. We'll get magnesium carbonate. So we got it. If you need to calculate percentage composition of each component, among these two only have to calculate percentage composition. So 1 gram is calcium carbonate, 1 by, what is the total weight they given initially? 1.84. 1 by 1.84 into 100 is the percentage composition of calcium carbonate, 1.8. Then magnesium carbonate I can find out 100 minus, only two components is there, no? Total should be 100. One is 54.5 means other one should be 100 minus 54.5. That's your answer. Clear? Okay, Giri Prakash, that is the process. Whatever you are getting, your answers is correct. Just you can proceed, but process is this is. Clear? One more question for practice purpose. Try to utilize, even you are learning from different teachers. Maybe you are going some other, whatever that is, tuition or you have other teachers also. But I am giving, try to give easy method according to my experience, my interest. Try to follow this is. But let's two methods. Easy for you. You can solve even without writing any equations. We don't want to write any equations, sir, to solve these questions. Just we know and practice more than enough that is. That's why I spend more time to calculate n factors also. Right, sir, this question. 1.67 grams of mixture of aluminum and zinc was completely dissolved in acid and evolved 1.69 liters of STP. Calculate the weight aluminum and zinc in the mixture. Weight aluminum and zinc in the mixture. Ashwin, I given equation. You can solve equation. Huh? Only we don't know one value, that is value. Then calculate x value. So this is the equation which is you need to solve. This equation, how many terms you don't know, sir? How many terms you don't know? Only one term, that is x. Please note the question. In examination, any titration, anything they are coming, leave that one. Just equal Gn of 1 equal to Gn of 2. That's the only thing you have to do. That one. Doesn't matter titration type that is. That is back titration, simple titration, iodometric titration, redox titration. No need to think anything. Very simple. Equivalence of 1 equal to equivalence of 2. You know n factor how to calculate for every reaction. Acid bases, you know that one. Salts, you know, redox reactions, you know everything. You know that one. If you don't know, I told you very starting day you have to do work first 3 months. That first 3 months will decide, sir. You are going to be near to your target or far away. First 3 months you are enjoying or you are neglecting homework. Yes, we can enjoy that one. Your bad luck is this is not actually regular offline classes. That's why I can't moderate you directly. So now offline means we can escape easily from work. So online means you can escape from easily from your work. Some people they are taking advantage, some people they are doing. So that's up to you, sir. But ultimately that is practice. That question very simple, sir. Gn of which is the reacting with acid. So H2 that releases. That's released by whom? Aluminum and zinc. You can write Gn of aluminum plus Gn of zinc. Both given H2, sir. So Gn of H2 this is simple thing. Okay. Now we can write again very simple. This is assume that one out of 1.67 grams, x gram, aluminum weight how much? 9. Is it correct? Plus 1.67 minus x by aluminum molecular weight 65, sir. Atomic weight 65. 65 by 2 is the equivalent weight. Zinc equivalent weight 65 by 2, sir. Equal. Here they given volume how much? 1.69. If you are taking number of moles, you have to divide with 22.4 liters. Already given n number of moles equal to V liters by 22.4 liters. This is number of moles. But we need equivalence, sir. Equivalence, but number of moles into n factor is equivalence. Already I given gram equivalent number in terms of number of moles. If you don't know, please note down. Gn equal to number of moles into n factor, nothing but number of moles to n factor equal to gram equivalent number. So this is number of moles. N factor for H2 is 2. N factor for H2 is 2, sir. Then solve X value will get that answer. Are able to write this equation, then you done, sir, your job. Means you understood everything. Very good, superb. 0.5 grams, okay, fine, doesn't matter. At least you got answer. Fine, sir. Atish, very good, sir. Devadarshan, what's your doubt, sir? I can't understand what you substituted the place of V. Where is the V, sir, here? I didn't substitute anywhere. Here, weight, terms of weight also can write gram equivalent number for given weight. I am taking X grams, this is, and equal minimum, sir, 9. This is, I am assuming 1.67 minus X grams is the remaining zinc value. Its equivalent weight is 65 by 2. N factor is 2. This is volume. In terms of volume, you know, number of moles for N equal to V liters by 22.4 liters. This is the number of moles. If you convert number of moles into equivalent number, N factor is 2. Number of moles, how much are here? V liters by 2.4 liters. What's the V liter given in the question? 1.69 into by 22.4 liters into N factor is 2 hydrogen. First you solve this question or not? Ray normality equal to molarity into N factor. Is it correct? You know everyone this one? Any doubt here? I hope you know that one we given derivation. What is the normality formula? Liter or V liter. Molarity is number of moles per V liters. Is it correct? Into N factor. If volume is both cases same means the remaining is a reminder. Gn equal to N into N factor. So in place of normality equal to gram equivalent number per liter. Here also per liter. That will be cancel each other. Who was that one? Sudarshan K. You got? Array waste fellow. What is the equivalent weight of aluminium? What is the equivalent weight of aluminium? Aluminium equivalent weight. Whenever I'm explaining, you are not listening to people. Just you are looking. We are looking only screen. Then how can you understand? Looking screen means at least we should have some knowledge. Then we can understand by looking. Otherwise, when I am talking, try to listen that word also. Maybe I know that one sometimes voice is breaking. I can accept that one, but I am repeating number of times. At least we can get. Or what is the x value? The x value getting here finally 1.25 grams. Then y you can subtract 1.67 minus 1.5, 0.2. Is it correct? Check. So Friday I'm going to ask you homework. You have to send by Friday, which is done whole week. Still, date wise I need. Date wise. I don't want your yesterday homework, today homework. I need date is what you done. That question equation. That is not the chemistry, sir. First thing. So try to practice how to solve equations, then get answer. But at least to understand the process, how to write GN, that's I'm expecting from you. That calculation up. Okay. Maybe sometimes it's a given answer, maybe little bit variable. Check it finally. When you need to process JEE, they won't ask you exactly same question anywhere. Even you won't get also. Kaushik Babu, what's your doubt? Okay. These are the summations based on general gram equivalent number. You may contain iteration every concept here only. So next iteration, sir. Redox titration. Write it here. Under redox titration, you can do anything, sir. Everything you can do here only. We don't want to separate titration. Okay. Redox titrations. Titration there. I'm thinking to that you can understand or not. That's only mostly for advanced. But if you're not able to understand me, that will be too much. That's why I'm thinking that one we will discuss right now or we can see later. Huh? I'll let you know that is first you can notice. Will discuss end of the titrations. That is dependent upon you. If I feel that we are not able to understand means we'll discuss later. That is. This is purely advanced, not JEE means anything. Right, sir. Redox reactions, and I'm writing conditions for redox reactions. Again, same conditions everywhere. I'm writing same thing, sir. I'm not changing anything. For example, this is MnO4 minus plus C2O4 2 minus gives rise Mn2 plus. This is an acidic medium. Already given n factor for acidic medium MnO4. How much, sir? N factor MnO4 minus an acidic medium. How much? Anyone? N factor in acidic medium. How much? Kanish P. I'm explaining titrations only. You are telling titration not starting point. Everyone is titrational. I explain every class titration. Even redox reaction also titrational. I am explaining. I don't know which is you are not getting. The first thing, go and read class notes. Everywhere I am using only one formula. I will try to make for you one video. Just look that one. MnO4 oxalate and H plus N. What is the N factor for Mn, sir? Acidic medium MnO4. So this is the equation. I am converting 50 ml. How to convert liter, sir? By 1000. We have to convert into ml into liters. That's the reason I wrote by 1000. Devadarshan, I was your doubt still. Sure, we'll do that one. So here N factor list I given. Why you didn't remember that? Tomorrow I'll ask you only N factors, sir. How to calculate N factors, and you need to remember you should not use your notes immediately. How to respond? Not responding immediately means you are copying, that is. So tomorrow you are sending homework. Send that one N factor calculation. Every molecule which is given, you practice or not on rough paper again. Which is given all the instructions, N factor calculations. Again, you practice on rough paper or not. Keep that one. Send tomorrow. Everyone. There are 196 people is there, means 194 people. I need to get, okay, all the things from everyone. This is redox titrations. This is the equation. This is oxidizing agent. This is 7. You can find out N factor if you require. This is 7 2. 5 is N factor. Here plus 3. This is plus 4. You know that one, how to calculate N factor. 3 4. I think that one modulus we are keeping. This is 2. Let me leave it. This is reduction. Reduction agent. Agent is oxidizing agent. This is oxidation. Means reducing agent. Called. And a reactant you have to consider oxidizing agent means not product. Get my point? Oxidizing agent telling with respect to reactants everything. So G oxidizing agent equal to agent. Right. What is the GN formula? Next one you can write in terms of weight and normality also both. Normality into volume of oxidizing agent to normality into volume of oxidizing agent. Rate equivalent of oxidizing agent equal to weight of reducing agent. This is You can try it. And how to find out redox reaction? By calculating oxidation change in oxidation number. If anything changes, that's why that will be oxidation reaction takes place. That is the redox reaction. Right? Very easy concept we are discussing only formula. But take it not some people. Anyway, help this. That is my job. I will help you 100%. I won't leave you even if you are not understanding also. But try to take challenge yourself. What volume of 0.1 m NO4 states are not using that books. This is the problem. You are not getting the sufficient number of questions. Send from the books at least 30 to 40 lines you can send, sir. Only titration problems you can try. Try this one. The complete answer. Very fast some people. Thing on screen. Note down and solve it. Only one formula is in front of you. Hey Ajay, you have to ask seekers people call seekers office. You will get. If you are not getting, I forward some friends to one of their friends books also soft copy. You may can get from them. Otherwise, send request me. I will forward you. But I need interest from you people. You should not say I don't have. Still now I got one correct answer, which is Vince 11th KNMS. Okay. Right. Vidhi Prakash properly got liters. Okay, you can do sir now. I mean for sir. Very simple formula. I'm not using any difficult formulas here. Gn of KMnO4 equal to Gn of FeSO4. Acidic medium, they mention very clearly. Acidic medium now only given here also above also equation. Mn converted into Mn2 plus. We have to remember acidic medium n factors. You can refer class already provided. So you didn't remember means I can't do anything for you. Who remembered, those people can understand. Check it. This is Gn means they given molarity and volume they're asking. I don't know volume. So normality into volume of KMnO4 equal to normality into volume of FeSO4. This is I have to do. So molarity is 0.1. In fact, how much sir? KMnO4 and acidic medium. Acidic medium in factor is 0.1 into 5. Volume I don't know. T equal to here how much they given? Molarity 0.2. N factor is 1 sir because Fe plus 2 converted into Fe plus 3. Fe plus 2 converted into Fe plus 3 only maximum oxidation state. They can't convert more than. So when they convert Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3, so N factor change is 1 only. Here to here 1 is the N factor. So 1 into volume how much they given? 100. Can you calculate V equal to how much we are getting? This point and point I can cancel. Both are ml only I am going to get. The reason sir, because this is 100 also ml, I am going to get V ml. 200 by 5. Answer 40 ml. How much time it took? How much time? How many steps is there? Then same question you can give. Maybe your friends that are taking some other institutes coaching, give same question how much time it will take for them. Understand this logic. You can do very fast. Even this calculation you can do very well. So you can do it in 1 minute only. KVSS become this class. Why did you join this class? Yes. Ask doubts, whatever you can post. I will see that one. Fine. Are you able to see my screen? Then note down. I will try my best today or tomorrow morning. Will get. Ashwin. Are you able to see my screen? I think so you understood that question. Hey, what last you wrote, sir? V equal to 200 by 5 equal to 40. This one I wrote. That value you are able to see. Today all actors practice on rough paper everything. First you can practice which is a given class. Every term should be there in your rough paper today. That is your homework. What I thought still now, n factors, balancing equations, and titrations. That should be in your rough paper. Without n factor, we can't do any question. Maybe some people they neglect it. That is not that much important to feel that one, but that is the only important here. Try one more question. Right. Similar model, just I change only components here. You can see paper. Paper is easy only, but you have to know n factor situations. Right? Yes. Titrations also is there this week test. Okay, first try this question. Someone they give an answer. Who that person? Shavin, KNMS, 11th. Superb. Exactly correct answer. Again, what is the principle? Right, first principle. Gram equivalent number of K2Cr2O7 equal to gram equivalent number of $25 ml. This is oxalate C2O4. What is the N factor, sir? C2O4 2 minus. Even today class, today only I given redox reaction starting one. What is that, sir? This is oxalate C2O4 2 minus. What is the N factor you got? 2. Just the instead of 2 minus, I given 2 Na plus, whatever I given, doesn't matter. C2O4 2 minus is the reactive part. The N factor is 2. Only 2 steps. Then right, Kaushik Babu, you are not studying at all class notes, not at all. Hmm? In acidic medium, always it convert into Cr3 plus we balance difference of here chromium is plus 6, difference is 3, but how many chromium? 2 chromium into 2, 6 is an factor. That's why, sir, if people if we practice on rough paper, I told very clearly, my work should be hard to practice on rough paper. If you're not practicing means like this only. Some people they are enjoying really class, and some people too much question marks. How sir done that question? What is the questions? Na2C24 already we given, sir. Top of the class only only given. Really, if you understand this one, even very big calculation also you can do very fast. If you want, you can ask these questions to any of the friends in other centers, but they can do. But you understood the concept. Suppose conditions apply. Suppose you are also not understanding means you can't do. Huh? Terms and conditions apply, sir. One more question, try. Someone they're asking one more question, sir. Like, fine. For you, I'm giving one more question. Please try it. You can try another method. Little bit. Because same method means you can do very easily. I'm changing a little bit. How many moles of K2Cr2O7 are required to react completely with 2.5 mole of Cu2S in acidic medium. So in acidic medium, I'm giving here CuTS converted into, we're giving sir here. This CuTS converted into Cu2 plus SO2. You can try it. Very simple. Again, same principle. Gn of K2Cr2O7 equal to Gn of CuTS. Anything wrong? Then Gn means now only today only I given formula number of moles into n factor. Can I write? Here also, sir, number of moles into n factor. Can I write? What is the CuTS n factor, sir? minus root 2 plus 4. What's the difference? 6. Then this is plus 1, 2, plus 2, sir. How much difference? 1. But how many copper? 2. So total n factor how much here? 2 plus 6. 8 is the n factor. Okay. Now we can check it. Number of moles into K2Cr2 was an n factor already know that one very well in acidic medium. Previous only number of moles how much, sir? I think so. This is the given CUTS 2.5 into n factor is how much? Then n equal to how much we are getting? 3.3. Answers. I didn't see that one. I explained how the importance of n factor is by this class. You need to understand what is the importance of n factor. If you didn't understand still n factor importance, I can't do anything. One class completely so many people didn't give an answer, sir. I know that one. So many people didn't give an answer. Means done very well n factor. That is the reason you are silent. For regularly responding people also not responded today. That is the only reason. So tomorrow I am going to be see. I am expecting homework from you. First n factor calculation perfectly, and do same questions which is I given after understanding n factor how to calculate. And already I forwarded some books for you people, sir. From that book, search questions and solve. I need at least questions, 40 questions I need, sir. Questions, 40 questions. By Sunday, you have to submit, that is by ending of the Sunday. 40 questions you have to submit, plus theory also you need to practice. First priority theory. First priority, you are expecting theory, sir. Theory should be there, then followed by sums. How many sums total? 40. 40. So again, try to practice. I hope at least some people enjoy this class. Who are not understanding, again go and read and come back. Okay, thank you very much. Speakers not there. Do yourself. And if you understood really, you can do all these are IIT advanced questions, advanced, but we can do very fast, very few minutes, sir. Very fast we are doing this. You know or not, I don't know the reason. Challenge that one. You can go and take these questions to other friends who are going other coaching centers, but they can't do that challenge, sir. But you understood, you can do. If you are not understand, means you also do. You also you can't do. Anyway, thank you very much. We can meet next class. Some books for people. Why didn't open that? WhatsApp I send some soft copies. Didn't get that to your friends. Now because I'm asking a little bit seriously than you are asking book now. Already I forwarded 1 month back, 1 month back. Check it that. Thank you.